Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Thursday the 12th of September 2019, and it's just after 11 a.m. in Singapore, and we'll take a look at the daily analysis for the Euro, Cable and Aussie dollar. Let's start with the Euro, and yesterday it has retraced lower from the 38 Fibonacci level down to the 21 Fib and just below the 1.10 level. It did also hit the previous channel trend line before bouncing back up to close right at the weekly pivot level. And today was of course the big key event for the Eurozone with the ECB rates decision and potential easing measures announcements. So it could consolidate before the news. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And you can see that was a weekday yesterday, whereas US dollar was also recovering, and until it fell below the 110 level and recovered back up to the weekly pivot. Okay, so yesterday there was good news from US PPI figures, so that's why most of the majors has retraced lower as well. There is CPI figures coming out at 8:30, which will coincide with the press conference from Mario Draghi. So be careful of that volatility. And there is US retail sales tomorrow night as well. Let's take a look at the pound, and pound may also be influenced by the ECB rates decisions and policy decisions announcements, and as they prepare for their Bank of England announcements next week. So after spinning top on Tuesday, there's another spinning top on Wednesday yesterday, even narrower as a harami. So a lot of consolidation now that the UK Parliament has been suspended for the next 5 weeks, and it has been sitting on support at the daily 55 EMA. There is potential downside down to the 50% Fib level and to this support zone. Switch to the 4 time frame. So if it does break lower, there is a potential move down to the 50% Fib level and perhaps even down to the 200 period EMA. Okay, there's no more news this week from the UK. Let's move on to the Aussie dollar. And yesterday it did manage find support at the daily 55 EMA, and it ran up to hit the 78.6 Fib level for closing as a spinning top as well, and it could be consolidating for the rest of today and tomorrow, with US news coming out tonight and tomorrow as well. Alright, and there's no Australian news for this week. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. So yes, as limited moves until it breaks below the daily 55 EMA or breaks out higher above the Fibonacci level, and there's quite a bit of resistance up ahead with the 0.6900 level and the weekly R1 pivot level. Alright, so all eyes this week. Next couple of days will be on the ECB and a couple of US economic news coming out. Have a good trading week then, and cheers.